Why is it flickering?
I don't know, but it's not gonna shut up. If it shuts off, I'm
I
gonna...
bet you your batteries are dying.
You don't have batteries in the game. Your flashlight is just like, oh, I won't die ever. I don't want to go. If just seeing his arm freaked me out that much, I don't want to see what he see him completely. You keep on taking videos of me just because I keep freaking out. I don't want to play anymore. I don't want...
You only got one more page, right?
No, I have 5 more.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, my flashlight just turned off. I can't turn it back on.
Then how are you going to know if he catches you?
It won't turn on. Stupid flashlight. Why?
Did I just hear a cricket?
Yes, from the game. Are you kidding me? No, I'm not going to continue. My flashlight